Hello,
Hello, teacher.
how are you?
I'm 7 years. I'm happy.
What's your name?
My name is Kitty.
How old are you?
I'm good. I'm happy.
How old?
I'm 7 years old.
Where are you from?
I I'm from Vietnam.
Yeah, what animal do you like?
I like pink.
Pink? What animal? I like monkeys. What
I
animal do
like
you like?
monkey.
What color do you like?
I like pink.
Okay, now do you know happy birthday to you? Where are they?
Ask me the birthday.
Birthday party, that's right. What's this? Birthday
Birthday
cake.
cat.
Yeah,
Pasta.
pasta, that's right.
Pizza.
Yeah,
Popcorn.
very good. The pasta
The
is...
pasta is yummy.
Yes,
The pasta is
popcorn.
popcorn is yummy.
Yeah,
The pizza is yummy.
very, very good. Where are they?
In the
Back.
back
Backyard, that's right. What's this?
bag,
That's right. And this is...
kitchen,
Yeah, and
car,
very good. What's he doing?
and she fly in a bag.
Yes, what's she doing?
He he play
Playing?
in a with a kitchen.
Yeah, what's she doing?
She fly in
A kite. Yeah, very, very good. Where are they?
in the village.
That's right. What's this?
Volleyball.
Yes.
Fans.
Yes.
Village.
Yes. Can you draw a van?
Yes, I can.
Can you draw a village?
Yes, I can.
Can you draw a volleyball?
Yes, I can.
Very good, thank you. Where are they?
In the kitchen.
Yes.
Jelly.
Yes.
Juice.
Yes.
Jam.
I like...
I like juice.
Yes.
I like jelly.
Yes.
I like jam.
Very, very good. Where are they? At the seaside. That's right.
Sea.
Yes.
Sun.
Yes.
Sail.
Very good.
Let's look at the sun.
Very good.
Let's look at the sea.
Very good.
Let's look at the sail.
Very, very good. Where are they?
In the countryside.
Countryside. Very good.
Road.
Yes.
Village.
River.
River.
Yeah.
Rainbow.
Yeah.
I can see a road.
Yes.
I can see a river.
Yes.
I can see a rainbow.
Rainbow. Very, very good.
In the
Where are they? Classroom.
classroom.
Yes. What shape is this?
Circle.
Yes.
Triangle.
Yes.
Square.
Yes.
Rectangle.
Yeah.
Oval.
Yes.
Star.
That's right.
Diamond.
Very, very good. Where are they?
In the zoo.
Zoo. That's right. What animal is this?
Zebra.
That's right.
People.
Hippo.
People.
Hippo.
Alligator.
Yes, yes, yes.
Tiger.
Yes.
Lion.
Yeah, lion.
Monkey.
Yeah.
Elephant.
That's right.
Peacock.
Peacock. Yes.
Turtle.
Turtle. Yeah.
Panda.
Yes.
Bear.
Very, very good. Oh, where are they?
On the farm.
Farm. That's right.
Fox.
Yes.
Duck.
Yes.
Sheep.
Yes.
Cow.
Yes.
Hen.
Yes.
Can.
Yes.
Goat.
Yes.
Duck.
Yeah.
Rabbit.
Very, very good. Where are they?
In the countryside.
Grocery store.
Milk.
Yeah.
Juice.
Yes.
Orange.
Yes.
Mango.
Mango. That's right.
Apple.
Yes.
Jam. Jelly.
That's right.
Cooker.
Cookies. Yeah.
Yo-yo.
Carrots. That's right.
Banana.
Yes.
Watermelon.
Yeah. Watermelon. Tomatoes.
Tomato.
Yes.
Yogurt.
Yes.
Ants.
Yes.
candy.
Very good. That's the end. Are you ready? 1, 2,